Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the Architect's Guide to Automated AI Income Systems. We are going on a 7-day journey to see if it's actually possible to build a completely passive income stream using just artificial intelligence. No fluff, just the experiment. Let's get right to it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Can an AI system actually make money while you sleep? I know, it sounds like the ultimate impossible dream, doesn't it? We're constantly bombarded with all these wild claims about passive income online, and look, it's so easy to be skeptical. But as AI has evolved from this complex novelty into a tool we use literally every day, this dream, it's becoming a reality for a lot of people. The source material we're exploring today doesn't just, ask the question. It actually sets out to prove it by building a fully automated AI income system totally from scratch.
What makes this whole experiment so incredibly compelling is the absolute lack of traditional overhead. Think about it. When we picture building a business, we usually think of massive startup costs, right? Hiring a team, long hours of coding. But the creator of this system just completely stripped all of that away. No team, no heavy financial investment. The only things they used were basic AI tools and a smartphone. I mean, talk about a leveled playing field. The barriers to entry that existed even just 5 years ago have completely vanished. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to be a millionaire. You just need to know how to leverage the tech sitting right there in your pocket.
So let's walk through the actual timeline of how this system was built day by day. This was a really structured, rapid-fire process. Day 1, the foundation is laid. Just simple research, seeing how people are actually making money with AI right now. And the core takeaway was a simple formula: content plus automation. Then, moving right to Day 2. Instead of staring at a blank screen struggling with writer's block, the creator just fired up ChatGPT. Boom! Instant video ideas, catchy titles, full scripts, engaging hooks, done. By Day 3, it's execution time. Using really accessible tools like Canva and CapCut, they transform those text scripts into actual videos. And remember, absolutely no advanced video editing skills were needed here. Just basic, straightforward clipping. Finally, Day 4, launch day. The videos were uploaded across multiple platforms simultaneously: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, just to get maximum reach.
And then, Day 4 comes to a close. The videos are live, you refresh the page, waiting for the internet to just do its magic, and you are met with zero. Absolutely zero views. Yep, this is the exact moment where the fantasy crashes right into reality. It's a stark, quiet number, but it's exactly what the creator experienced at the launch of this experiment. So the crucial point is this: automation needs time. Look, when you're staring at zero views, the natural human instinct is to just throw your hands up, call the whole thing a scam, and quit, right? But the creator didn't stop. Why? Because an automated system isn't some magic wand that just poofs cash into existence. It's a machine, and like any machine, especially an algorithmic one, it needs time. It needs time to warm up, index your content, and actually find the right audience. Giving up at the starting line, that is literally the biggest mistake you can make.
But hey, patience pays off. On Day 5, the gears finally started to turn. Now, it wasn't some crazy viral explosion, but it was undeniable proof of concept. The traffic started as this tiny trickle. First, 10 views. Then it creeps up to 30. Later in the day, 50 views. Mentally, going from 0 to 50 views is a massive shift. It proves the algorithm is finally waking up and serving that AI-generated content to real, actual humans. The system finally had a pulse.
Now here is where the whole strategy pivots from just getting eyeballs to actually capturing value. On Day 6, the creator took a super vital step. They dropped affiliate links right into the descriptions of the videos. Suddenly, those small view counts, they transformed. Every single viewer now represented a potential earner. And then, Day 7 brought the breakthrough. One specific video just started performing significantly better than the rest. The algorithm picked it up, driving more clicks and way higher watch times. You're seeing the snowball effect in action here. That foundation laid back on Days 1 through 3 was finally yielding real, measurable, monetizable results.
And that brings us to a really important definition that kind of reframes the entire experiment. The creator realized something huge. Automation is not about getting a viral hit. It's not about instant gratification. It is about building a system. And what's a system? It's a process that keeps working and generating value even when you are totally offline. A viral video is a fleeting moment, but a system is an enduring asset. Once those videos are up with their affiliate links, they live on the internet permanently. They're out there working for you 24/7, whether you are sitting at your desk or fast asleep.
From that intense 7-day journey, the creator extracted this highly actionable 4-part framework. This is the exact architecture of the automated system. Step 1, rely on AI to do the heavy lifting for your content creation, your ideas, scripts, hooks. Step 2, use simple drag-and-drop editing tools to bring those AI words to life visually. Step 3, do not limit yourself. Syndicate that content across multiple platforms to cast the widest net possible. And Step 4, absolutely the most critical for income, monetize that attention through affiliate links. That right there is the repeatable loop that makes the entire engine run.
But, all right, we need to pause here for a second and address the harsh truth. The source material is very, very clear about this. Most people who try to build this exact system will fail. Not because the AI tools don't work, not because the platforms are broken, they fail for one incredibly frustrating reason. They quit early. They hit that day 4 wall of 0 views, or they get to day 5 with maybe 10 views, and they just decide it's not worth the effort. They walk away literally right before the algorithm starts to reward their consistency.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core mindset problem we're dealing with. We have this massive gap between expectation and reality. The expectation, which, let's be honest, is fueled by a lot of hype online, is that AI equals instant money. Press a button, cash falls out. But the gritty reality of building a durable, automated system is that real growth takes time. It requires you to push through the silence of those early days. If you can shift your mindset to view this as planting seeds for a future harvest, rather than just pulling the lever on a slot machine, you have a vastly higher chance of actually succeeding.
Because this is what your future looks like if you stay consistent. Imagine having 10 videos out there working for you. Then imagine scaling that up to 20 videos, and eventually 50 videos. Each one of those videos acts like a tiny digital employee, tirelessly bringing in views day after day after day. And because you've got Step 4 dialed in, every single one of those views is a chance to earn. That's the real magic of automation. It's not about banking on one lucky viral hit. It's about building an interconnected ecosystem of content that cumulatively generates significant automated value over time. Let's move to and see how this builds into your own concrete starting blueprint. If you want to replicate this success, the source lays out the exact steps you can take today. First, pick a specific niche. Maybe it's AI, finance, fitness, whatever you're into, just keep it focused. Second, make using AI tools a daily habit. Bake it right into your routine. Third, upload consistently. Consistency is literally the language that algorithms understand and reward. And finally, never, ever forget to add your monetization links. There are no shortcuts here, no secret magic tricks. The formula is simply this system combined with relentless consistency.
We're going to wrap up today's explainer with this powerful thought directly from the source text. AI is powerful, but action is more powerful. You've got the blueprint now. You know the tools and you know exactly which pitfalls to avoid. The only variable left in the equation is execution. If you start building this system today and you push past those brutal 0 view days, your future self is going to be so thankful. So what niche are you going to ask ChatGPT about first? The tools are ready when you are.